After 4 hours in a car and 2 tourist hotspots that were a total bust. There's nobody here. This is great.
We passed the gate where you're supposed to pay like 30 baht for a car. The guy looked at us, smiled, didn't even seem bothered, so we kept driving. And then there's a one-way in and out of the hot springs, and the guy was on his phone, didn't even look up, so we just walked by. To be fair, no one's here, and I think it would cost more money to have someone staffed than it would to just like let everyone in for free. But this place is beautiful, and it's tucked away, and there's 4 or 5 people. Wow.
This is a bath.
Oh my god, this is great.
After 4 hours in a car and 2 tourist hotspots that were a total bust, this was a proper hidden gem in the middle of the jungle. I'm so glad we came here.
There was a Thai man in one of the other pools that's even hotter than this one, and he said you go to the other and it's cold. He obviously said in Thai and used body language, but you go in the other one and it's cold, and then you bounce into here where it's hot.
Yeah, and this one is called Hot Dad Springs.
Yeah.
I think it's easier if we
Like
just write it because I'm gonna butcher this.
No, I mean hot dad. Ooh, hot dad, which I'm gonna be soon.
Yeah, you are a hot dad.
Well, I was thinking more of the dad part, but I appreciate the hot.
I think you're a hottie. Oh, what a win.
Yeah.
What a win.
This was great. I kind of want to just start jumping back and forth because I'm excited.
Yeah. Your circulation.
There are full-on rocks at the bottom.
Yeah, I mean.
So all the water's rushing from down there, and let's see, it's supposed to be, oh, that is ice. Oh, on a different note, my motorbike wounds are healing up where I had bolts go in my foot. Happy to be able to walk, but I don't even know if I want to get in. It's cold.
To be honest, had we been able to swim in Erawan, we would have just gone there to freeze. Because guys, something I didn't realize before I came to Southeast Asia was how freezing cold waterfalls are. And I know that would make sense, it's like a natural stream, but like I just didn't math that out, and every time I go into a waterfall I'm shocked with how cold it is. So that's probably what you're getting back there. And in the proper jungle, they just like built rocks in the middle of trees and called it a hot spring.
Yeah, it's pretty great. All right, let's see a neck get in the cold water.
Bold. This is ice cubes. I mean, I'm sure they do it because of circulation. Also, something that might be important to know, especially for ladies, I don't see anybody here in a 2-piece, and I see actually quite a bit of hijabs around. So just dress more modestly. That's why, I don't know if you've noticed, but I haven't taken off my top, and it's probably because like my top right now is a little bit revealing, especially considering that I am expecting and nothing fits me anymore. So come in a 1-piece or find your most modest 2-piece and put on a t-shirt.
So if you feel like this is kind of like a one-off vlog that is pretty random, it's because today has been pretty random. I know we've talked about it, but I feel like nothing panned out, and not in a bad way because the drive was absolutely gorgeous, and it was just nice to be able to get out in nature, especially since we've been in Bangkok the last month and a half. But I am so happy.
What a find.
What a find. And it was just one of those afterthoughts where it was like, oh, I guess this sounds nice.
It's like, well, we've already driven all the way over here. What's another hour?
That was exactly the thought process. Like, yeah, what's another hour? Let's do it.
And we were like, I hope this isn't closed. I hope this isn't closed. I hope this isn't closed. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. This is kind of nice. Look at the rain, Daniel. What a blessing. This is great. So it may have started monsoon raining, and so Daniel's doing the strut to grab all of our things so it doesn't break. On another note, how beautiful is this? MVP, Daniel, husband of the year. You did it, mate. Be careful. Yeah. Careful. I love them. They're just like laying down on the thing, enjoying the rain on them.
Wow. Awesome.
Oh, Daniel, we should take a picture like that too.
This is great. The water's super hot on our back, and then the rain is so cold.
And the raindrops are so heavy, they're falling in my eyeballs.
Ooh, that is real deep.
This is why we live in Thailand. You can't even be mad when it rains because it's just so beautiful when you find places like this.
I will say the mosquitoes did start attacking my upper back. Oh, so I guess it's time to dunk. Alright, now it is time for me to try the last pool. It looks the same. It looks like it's overflowing into the one that I'm already in. Oh, that is real. Ooh. Oh, that was the smoothest transition. I stepped on a big rock and it is not as warm. I'm gonna try and get it. We're just walking to come look at a different view because this place is something out of the Jungle Book.
Honestly, I feel like being in the jungle.
Yeah.
The jungle.
Annette of the Jungle.
After living in Koh Chang, it just feels like an extension of who I was in Koh Chang. This really actually looks like our backyard in Koh Chang.
Yeah, not as big, but very, very similar.
I mean, this is just as wide as the river in our backyard, I would say. I can't wait to show you Nugget. We're gonna take you so many cool places.
Hello, whatever baby's in there.
Nugget of the jungle.
Nugget of the jungle.
Hello. Conceived in the jungle. Gonna be raised in the jungle. I'm so excited.
Me too.
I love you. Being a parent.
I know, it's weird.
Weird.
It's weird that we're gonna be parents.
This one is just as nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
Careful, the last step is free.
Oh, thank you.
Special.
Yep, special is the right word.
I get goosebumps every time I get into the warm water. I just like it.
Right? We still kind of feel the drizzle overhead.
Kinda.
Well, no,
Honey,
very
it's raining. It's proper raining.
It is proper raining. It just slowed down. It looked like it was about to monsoon rain for a second.
I mean, I filmed you and it was
it?
coming down.
I do want to kind of sit rather than being like just dunked up to my neck. Yeah.
Oh, that's what I like about the oil. You could just kind of be in it. You see the steam coming off of it.
Do you really? Where?
Yeah, look by the kid's head.
You can see the steam coming off of it. How cool.
There you go. I guess when you're in a hot spring and it's cold and rainy.
So we realized two things. A, it's been a while since we've eaten. We should probably get out while we feel good. And B, not fall, but I guess C, we didn't bring a towel. So time to see if there's anyone selling one on the other side of the road. If not, looks like we're gonna be here for an hour to air dry.
Air dry.
Not gonna ruin the rental. All right, so I guess two towel, food, or whatever.
That was totally worth it. I feel super duper relaxed, which is probably why you're hearing me just talk like
Super monotone.
But it's because I am very happy and I'm so ready for a nap. But I do think that we're just gonna go and try and find a market on the way home. So
Where's my phone?
that's what we find. I don't know.
Probably hid it from myself.
Uh-oh. From the glove box? Yep. There you go.
Sweet. All right. DJ, do your magic.